of all colors for you and for me. They sing their sweet songs, they spread out their wings, they dance in the wind of the joy that they bring. Just like the birds in our own special way, as bright learning you've got so much to do and say. With hearts that are open and dreams that take flight, let's cherish each other in the soft morning light. The robin wears red, so proud on her chest. She builds a snug nest where her babies can rest. The peacock so fancy with feathers that glow. Each one is unique, just like people we know. The tiny hummingbird, so fast and so light, it flutters and hovers, oh what a sight. The wise old owl with eyes big and round sees in the dark without making a sound. Just like the birds in our own special way, as bright learning you've got so much to do and say. With hearts that are open and dreams that take flight, let's cherish each other in the soft morning light. You might be shy like little blue jay, or loud and proud like goose on the bay, but each of our voices can join in the song. When we sing together, we're happy and strong. Here's seagulls that soar high up in the blue, with strength in their wings and keen eyesight too. Parrots in rainforests with colors so grand, they mimic our voices and they understand. The penguins so dressed up in a suit black and white, they wait alone land but in water take flight. Just like the birds, so different and grand, let's laugh